Good morning, friends. It's Zuzu. Time to start the day. Wake up, stretch, and smile so wide. Let's learn and play. Hooray! Wake up, rise and shine. Stretch your arms up to the sky. Open eyes and big hello. It's a brand new day. Let's go! Wash, wash, wash your face. Splash the water fresh and clean. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Make them sparkle bright and clean. This is how we start our day. Step by step we learn and play. Clap your hands and say hooray! Zuzu shows the way. Shirt goes on and pants go too. Socks and shoes just like you do. Zip it up and you're all set. Ready now? Don't forget, yummy breakfast on the plate. Take a bite, it tastes so great. Healthy food to start the day. Gives us energy to play. Step by step, we go along. Clap your hands and sing this song. Jump up high and shout hooray! We're doing great today. Time to play and have some fun. Jump and laugh and run, run, run. Clean up toys when play is done. Tidy time for everyone. Dinner time, come take a seat. Warm and tasty food to eat. Family time is nice and slow. Talking, laughing as we go. Step by step, we learn and play. Doing things the Zuzu way. Clap your hands and shout hooray! Great job today. Brush, 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 brush. Close your eyes and snuggle tight.